I'm very close now, but it's like that. Very steep. I have a 15-kilo backpack on my back. I heard there's a way here also, at least to a waterfall. Let's see what I find. Yeah, I decided to turn around, it's too far. And the hill is too steep for me, so... Well, nice start for the day anyway. So something. Nice views. Now let's go to Darwin. This is the best part. Coming back downhill. Oh, this is a busy road, seems so. Hey! It's like a highway on the mountain. Third bike. Hey, morning.
How are you?
Good, thanks. Happy Filipinos here. Nice to see. I wonder if I see Tambubu Bay. Maybe there. I see a little bit water there. Inland. I mean a little bit there, water inland. Not sure. I think these views are the best ones. That's Apu Island. There's Mindanao. And there's a military camp. They told me not to fly a drone here. This was the best morning in 6 months. See you later. Bye bye. I thought the first road was bad. But then I decided to take another route back to the highway. This is the worst I ever driven in my life. Hopefully I don't fall on the way. Hope for the best. Somehow the locals drive this with the worst bikes. Vittu. Ui perkele. Either right or the middle. I think right. Not sure. Let's go. I think they left this a little bit unfinished. Just a little bit. Okay, now it's left. They should give you a medal once you finish this one. Ooh. Stones and shit. And which way now? Right. Alright. Yeah. Well, it's much better now. Wow. This is nice road now. Let's see what's ahead of us. A little bit unusual morning for me. A lot of walking, hiking, off-roading. That's not usual for me. No flat tire yet. Knock knock. Fuck, that would be bad. Alright. Aye. This is not built by Romans, definitely. This is Filipino design 100%. Okay, what's next? Little mud shower. Hello. Didn't say hello, that's weird. You guys looking what the heck the foreigner is doing here. Good exercise for the arms also. Surprisingly fatigue. If you're used to just lift a pint on your lips instead of driving off-road. I left. Really going any better, this shit road. Oh, they tried to fix it, look. Whoa. Perkele. Perkele. Saatana. little bit of a bumpy ride. Let's take a break.